What's the meaning of customary? Customary. Customary.
Customary. Customary. The word customary is an adjective that is used to describe something that is commonly or traditionally done within a particular group or society. It refers to actions, behaviors, or practices that are considered as the usual way of doing something in a given place or culture. An example of something that can be described as customary is bowing in Japan or shaking hands in Western countries. This term is often used in legal or cultural contexts to indicate an established tradition or practice that is expected to be followed by members of a community.